They have dominated this game since about the middle of the second quarter when they overhauled a 25-19 lead ng Pop-Cola, and a good pass ng San Miguel goes to Mike Mustre. Asaytono has exploded here in the second half.
After you mentioned about the parents of Ron Jacobs, I remember in 1980 when he first came here, and he has lived in the Philippines since then, no? The parents of Ron Jacobs came, and his father, of course, has since passed, and he died. There's a big run now being staged by Pop-Cola.
And we'll be back now. We have a 20-second timeout ng San Miguel Beer.
Partner, that lead has been shot down to just, to 21 points. San Miguel Beer yata, wala pa score dito sa fourth quarter. It's a 6-0 run to open the fourth period. At may steal pa,
Pamagaw, natuluyan na ngayong agaw. Laglag si Nick Velasco, Kabanayan, may steal lamang yung kanyang kaliwa. At may loose ball foul na natawag laban kay Jesse Kabanayan.
Well, talagang lumalabang ngayon ang Pop-Cola. This is a spirited uprising, ika nga, no? That Pop-Cola is staging. And they're doing it with good backcourt pressure defense.
Naimpagkarabiyo amin sa ating mga kaibigan sa Baguio City at sa buong Ilocania. Ang inyong bata, si Jesse Kabanayan ng Pop-Cola, naglalaro sa Bayan ng Superstars. Second game po natin San Miguel laban sa Pop-Cola with 8:50 remaining dito sa ating final quarter. Rosella, hinahanap si Nelson Asaytono. Asaytono against Nick Velasco. Not double team. Inside pass. It will remain in San Miguel pero mauupusan sila ng oras sa kanilang shot clock. At si Asaytono humihingi ng kapalit na ngayon. Tumingin sa kanyang coach. At kagad naman tinapik ni Ron Jacobs. Dalawang mama, Abuda and Ildefonso getting ready to check in now.
Ito yung sinasabi natin ng complacency. When you're sitting on top of a big fat lead, you have a tendency to get complacent.
Inside pass, Realobet gets the pop, gets the basket, and a possible three-point play para kay Zaldi Realobet.
8-0 blast now by Pop-Cola to start this quarter. At baka maging 9-0 blast because may bonus by the lead. Zaldi Realobet, nice sack inside.
Yan ang nagagawa kapag pagod na ang isang manlalaro, puro katawan na ang ginagamit. And Asaytono is now being given a rest together with Tignadice, Abuda, and Ildefonso back in the ballgame. At si Zaldi Realobet ng nasipit, Agusan del Norte, member of the 1986 youth team and the 1990 Asian Games team, All-Pro team sa Beijing. And he completes the three-point play. This lead is down to 18. Tinito.
9-0 blast by Pop-Cola. Hindi pa nakaka-score ang San Miguel Beer dito.
Samantala si Realobet, 5 puntos na lahat nakuha niya dito naman sa final quarter. Rosella, nahanap ng buwang. Nagkaroon ng switch. Malita tumatawag si Mike Mustre. Pero tumira si Rosella sa labas. In and out. Velasco one-handed rebound. And they're running. Here's the break. Encarnacion, side-stepping move. Voila! Realobet again. Here's that from De La Cruz. And Norman Black jumping up and down the sideline, hoping for the foul. De La Cruz, yes!
Oh, that's a big swing. That's the first bucket of San Miguel Beer dito sa fourth period. Norman Black pleading, telling the referee, call the foul.
What do you want? Sabi ni Norman Black. Well, he's certainly asking for a little more of the break. Samantala si Richter Encarnacion keeps the pressure on, 67-49. 18 abante ng San Miguel Beer with 7.5 remaining in the final quarter. Happy to have you with us, Philippines. Noli Yala po kasama si Quinito Henson. What a move! And rebound, mapupulot ni Kabanayan. Kabanayan pa rin, Jesse. Gives it to Encarnacion. He goes up. Yes, may foul pa. And what a rally.
Continues to roll here for Pop-Cola.
And the twin rookies ng Pop-Cola combining here, Kinito, si Kabanayan and si Richter Encarnacion are collaborating for this big run. They're down by 16 at tinawagan ng foul si Freddy Abuda. And San Miguel Beer now will call a 30-second timeout to see this Encarnacion basket. And you know, sometimes you begin to think, welcome back Philippines, Richter Encarnacion fashioning out his three-point play at sumablay ang kanyang Pagkakataong mabuo yung 3-point play, so the lead is still at 16. That's what happened so far in this quarter, Chinito.
3 turnovers and only 1 out of 7 from the field at San Miguel Beer leads sa quarter na to.
It's a 13-2 run na Pacola in the fourth. And they're doing this without Vergel Meneses. Offensive rebound of that Mustre miss. Ron Jacobs shouting intensity sa kanyang mga pataan. Libre siya buta sa keyhole. Wala pa rin. At ang tapigan, napunta na naman kita. Kapanayan. Jesse pa rin. He goes inside and he committed himself too deep there. Pagkakataon sana sa Pacola yan.
Sayang yun, partner, because they have the chance to score in transition once more.
San Miguel Beer also playing without Nelson Azaitono. Si Alan Kedikpo has left the game with an injury to his right eye. Samantala, Racela sa play sa labas. Kabanayan na naman, 3-on-1 fast break. Jesse Kabanayan gives it to Prince Derek Carnazon. And the rookie twosome ng Pacola leading the charge here. The lead is down to 14 from a high of 27.
Partner, you now ask the question, with the lead down to 14, 5:48 to go, should Vergel Meneses now come in?
Yan ang malaking katanungan. At masasagot yan maya-maya. Samantala, sa fly tira ni Freddy Abuda. Mustre libre off the glass. And he finally breaks that San Miguel Beer silence.
Only the second field goal. Only 4 points for San Miguel Beer. Dito sa quarter na to.
15 laban sa 4 sa fourth quarter. Kinito. At talaga namang itong Pacola biglang nagising. 3-point shot. Medyo hindi inaasahan yan. Pero nandun sa dinilumit.
Yung second chance points sa Pacola.
At ang tanong,
Zaldi, yes.
ang tanong dito Kinito, kung kaya, kung maubusan kaya ng hangin to, may oras kaya Pacola.
On 5:05 to go here in the game.
Ildefonso missing that one. Another big rebound from Nick Velasco, who has had a total of 9 boards today. There's the layup. Encarnacion at may kakibat na foul mula kay Mike Mustre. And just like that, this lead is down to 12. Panoorin natin sa ating Kape Puro Slow-Mo. Kabanayan and Encarnacion connecting anew. And ang San Miguel Beer, malaki ang problema. They have to talk about this. Their lead is down to 12. Kanina natanong mo nga, Kinito, ipapasok mo pa si Vergel, ipapasok mo pa dito si Boy Fernandez.
Sina Boy Victoria, the veteran.
Malingit, no?
Oo, yung mga starters.
Si Alipik. Pero right now, mukhang itong grupong ito has been doing the job para kay Norman Black. The lead is down to 11 here. Azaitono is back in the ball game. He saw about 3 minutes of rest. Art de la Cruz, tumira sa labas. Wala.
Taking too many shots from the outside. Ito San Miguel Beer is playing, yung sinasabi natin, not to lose, instead of playing to win.
So they finally cracked that defense inside the Pacola. That's only the 6th point of San Miguel in the fourth quarter, but that's enough to restore a 13-point lead. Lago. They need some more points. At makakapingwit ng foul.